so I have been basically trading the account that I have said, that I've promised that I will get to 1 million. Okay, so we are at day 2. So far we are at day 2, and day 2 was not really that easy. Okay, it was very difficult. So since it was very difficult, I took a little bit of a loss, and then I recovered back the loss. I'm actually now recovering the loss. Okay, so there are 2 accounts that I'm trading. There's a FTMO challenge that I'm trying to see if I can pass. I just want to see if I can pass before I apply for the real one. I just want to see if you know I can get there, because when I'm trading personal money, I'm actually risking a lot of money, and now this story of using proper risk management is not easy. So that's why I'm also doing the challenge of taking 16 USD to 1 million within 2 months. Okay, so that's why I'm challenging myself to see if I can go to that level. So what is actually happening right now is let me just quickly go and then show you my platform right here. So this is the FTMO account, which is basically the account that I want to apply for. So it's actually a demo. You see, it's a demo. It's FTMO demo that I am trading. So I want to see if I can reach the target. And the funny part is the target for this account is basically me achieving 700. Okay, I must make 700. Sorry, 7,000 for me to qualify. Okay, so I'm actually already making 4,000. So it's like just 2,000 away, or even less than that, for me to actually hit the target. So which means if I can pass it in a day, this is my first day of trading, you will see that that is like the deposit, and then like the strategy is crazy, guys. The strategy is crazy. Look at the entry of the strategy, it's crazy. Okay, so I'm really having high hopes for the FTMO. So in this week, after I am able to pass this one, then I will actually make the real FTMO challenge and then pass it within maybe the first week, and then get, you know, funded with a few amounts of dollars, you see. So it's actually easy, guys, and I'm not even risking a lot. I'm actually risking 1% of my account. So this is just 1% risk and making 4,000 pounds within a day. Imagine if you can do that consistently, at least 3 times a week, or even 4 times a week. Then you're sorted. You're sorted. If you can do that 3 or 4 times a week, you're sorted, right? So that's basically the FTMO account with the entry and all that stuff. And this is actually the trade. So I actually gave the trade setup. You guys also see that, but here is the account that I was talking about, right? So what happened was that I was trading the account. You see the weekly results. This is now the live account that I want to take to 1 million. Okay, so what happened with the live account was that I took a little bit of losses. You see, the transfer was made, which was made, and then yesterday, which is Monday, I lost, okay, $9, 9.88. So when I lost $9, then I actually recovered it back. I'm actually in profit right now, which is making me very happy, which means Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I still have a chance. So remember, the goal for this week is to achieve 1,000. Okay, 100. Oh, I'm too high. So the goal is 100 for this week, and then from there I make actually that target that I want to make. All right, so it's easy for me. It's actually easy. Okay, for me to reach the goal is actually easy, because I'm training with my strategy, and you see the FTMO, I'm able to pass it within a day. Okay, so maybe 2 days, then I already passed the challenge, phase 1, phase 2, something like that. So like the strategy is easy, and the entries are easy, very beautiful. Okay, so I want to quickly see if I can share with you my I want to see if I can share with you my trading view, to show you how I found this setup, and why I believe that this setup was supposed to play out, right? Okay, so as you can basically see on my screen right here, so I was trading USD JPY, which makes me very happy. So I was actually trading USD JPY, okay, and the way that I saw this entry was I actually saw my main supply being violated, and then since my main supply was violated, I saw, oh, this is a a good area for me to start looking for buys. And then when I saw this change of character at the buy area, eventually I went in here. But then I was actually even looking for more entries. That's where you see on the on my MT4 here on this account, you basically see that I was waiting for extra confirmation. You see, so I was waiting for this load to be that load to be taken out, exactly this load to be actually this high to be taken out. When I saw that high being taken out, I waited for the retracement and then took it all the way up, and now I'm in profit. I'm actually happy with the profit that I'm making. So for now, what I'm basically risking is just you know, $5 per trade until I can get it up to, you know, $100, which I believe I can achieve with within this few days. Okay, so I just want the balance of this trade to be somewhere so that I can be close. So my TP has already been hit, as you can see right here that my TP has been hit. So which means right now I'm gonna close my trades. I'm closing my trades because my TP has been hit, following this the strategy. Okay, not gonna change my mind. So in the New York session is also about to start. Okay, so since the New York session is about to start, I'm just gonna close my profits. So as you see, my profits are closed, and then you see I'm actually now I made back my losses. Now my account is at break even, and the FTMO account is actually also, I think it hit TP. Oh, pierced through the TP. That's strange. All right, yeah, so 5, so which means I'm only left with a small profit. Then I will finish with the FTMO challenge, and then so I'm actually excited because it's easy. Like with this strategy, I can actually finish the whole FTMO within a day. Okay, within a day or two, or maybe even, you know, a day. So a week is like phase 1 within a week, phase 2 within a week. Okay, if I'm really risking very low, right? If I'm risking 0.5%, okay, because the risk reward is crazy. The risk reward is crazy. Like for example, on this trade alone, I was risking, like, check my stop loss is 4.4 pips, and then I'm like making 36 pips. Okay, which is like I made 8% in one day. Okay, making 8% is crazy. So risking 1% to make 8%, crazier. Okay, which is crazier. So which is beautiful. Okay, tomorrow we see this break of structure that has been made. Okay, so tomorrow I'll update you guys, and then I will let you know how far I went with my challenge. Okay, how far I went with my challenge. Really excited for this one, guys. I am really excited, and and I hope that you guys will be always updated. Okay, not outdated but updated with the challenge. So God bless you, and yeah, that's it for this video. Basically, like, I don't really have much to say. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm done trading for the day. Basically gonna do something else, and then tomorrow we'll meet again. So we'll be updating you from $16 to 1 million within 2 months. Okay, excited. Bye bye.